Have you ever wondered how automotive giants manage to roll out flawless new models year after year? The secret lies in a meticulous process known as Advanced Product Quality Planning, or APQP. This structured approach is critical in the automotive industry, ensuring that every vehicle meets high standards of quality and reliability from the initial design right through to production. Today we're focusing on Phase 1 of APQP, which plays a pivotal role in setting the groundwork during the early planning stages. Diving into Phase 1, we find the blueprint of what makes successful product launches possible. Phase 1 of APQP, Plan and Define Program, sets the stage for all subsequent phases. Let's delve into the purpose of this crucial initial phase. It's all about laying the groundwork to ensure that every step in the product development aligns perfectly with customer needs and product goals. Here, understanding what the customer wants and needs is paramount. This phase isn't just about gathering data, it's about transforming that data into actionable insights that will guide the entire project. Now, let's break down the key input documents. First, we have the Voice of the Customer, or VOC. This involves collecting and analyzing detailed customer feedback to understand their needs and expectations. Next, there are business plan and market studies. These documents review market demands and align them with business objectives, ensuring that the product has a defined market space. We also look at product and process benchmark data, which involves analyzing competitor products and existing data to set benchmarks. Product reliability studies come next, focusing on understanding reliability targets and utilizing historical data to set realistic goals. Additionally, direct customer inputs play a crucial role. These are specific requirements or feedback directly from the customer, providing a clear direction for the product development. Transitioning to the output documents, we have design goals, which are established based on the VOC and business objectives. Reliability and quality goals are then set to meet or exceed customer expectations. The preliminary bill of materials is drafted, listing all necessary materials, and product process flowcharts are created to outline the proposed production process. Lastly, we identify the critical points in the product and process in the preliminary listing of special product and process characteristics. With these documents, Phase 1 shapes the foundation of a product's journey from concept to customer. To encapsulate, Phase 1 of APQP is not just about planning, it's about strategic foresight. It's crucial to recognize that meticulous documentation at this stage prevents expensive errors in the future. Every input gathered and documented here, from customer needs to regulatory requirements, directly molds the outputs, setting the course for the entire project. We've examined key documents such as the Design and Development Plan and the Quality Plan, each crafted to ensure the product aligns with both consumer expectations and market standards. Remember, the strength of the foundation determines the quality of the building. Similarly, the effectiveness of Phase 1 of APQP dictates the success of the product development process. As we wrap up, remember that every successful product begins with a well-defined plan. Advanced Product Quality Planning, or APQP, is key to navigating the complexities of product development with precision. This structured approach not only aligns teams, but also ensures that product specifications meet customer expectations. For those looking to delve deeper into the nuances of APQP, consider exploring additional resources or consulting with a professional. This can greatly enhance your understanding and execution of the process. Thank you for joining us in unraveling the intricacies of APQP Phase 1. Here's to elevating product quality to new heights.